Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, the magnification for a normal relaxed eye m is equal to 5. Least distant of distinct vision d is equal to 25 centimeter. Let the focal length be f. So the magnifying power m is equal to d by f, which can be further written as 5 is equal to 25 by f. On simplification, I can write the value of f is equal to 25 by 5, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Now going forward, I can write the magnification m is equal to d by f, and here the value of d is equal to 40 by 5, which is equal to 8. So the magnifying power of a for a simple microscope is 8x. 8x. Magnifying power is equal to 8x. I hope you understand the solution of this problem.